You're going to take these two ingredients, self-rising flour, plain Greek yogurt, and we're going to turn it into bread, or in our case, pretzel bites. Let's get started. One cup of self-rising flour in the bowl, 1 cup of the plain Greek yogurt. I'm using low fat. I don't think it matters. And I'm going to pour it in and mix it up. Once you've poured the yogurt into the flour, you're going to want to stir it up, and you'll see it gets kind of sticky. You want to keep pulling it from the sides of the bowl until you can get it into a round ball. And then we're going to spread it out on the counter here with a little bit extra self-rising flour. Also get some on your hands and start to mix it together. So once we have it in this bowl, we're going to wrap it in saran wrap and let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes. While you're doing that, you can go ahead and preheat your oven to 425. Next, lay out a little bit more flour and half your dough. Then take one of the halves and stretch it out like a rope. And now we're going to cut segments out of it for the pretzel bites. Then you'll do the same thing for the other half. Lay these on a baking sheet, put them in the oven at 425 for 10 minutes, and you'll have bagel bites. The option that you can add is what I'm going to do here, and that is some melted butter and salt on top. Let's get these bites in the oven and see how they turn out. Here they are. They smell amazing. I love the brown color. Now, I did salt and butter, but you could easily do cinnamon sugar. So here's one with a little bit of cream cheese on it that I'm going to try. Wyatt, you want to pick one to try?
Sure.
All right, let's see how it is. Kids always give honest reactions.
It's really good.
And it's only 2 ingredients. Can you believe that?
Mm-mm.
All right, well, if he loves it, must be good. Until next time, wishing you lots of simplicity, progress, and joy.